Welcome. If you're looking to declutter your inbox and stop receiving email alerts about Pinterest reports and violations, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable these email notifications directly from the Pinterest app. This guide is perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner, more focused email experience without missing important updates on Pinterest itself. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your notifications. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, at the very top of your profile page, tap your profile picture again. This will open up your account settings and give you access to more options. Next, look for the notification section. Tap on it to open your notification preferences. Here, you'll see different categories for notifications you receive from Pinterest. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Others. Under this section, tap on Reports and Violations Center Updates. This is where Pinterest manages alerts related to reports you've made or any violations that might affect your account. Inside this menu, you'll see different ways Pinterest can notify you, like push notifications, emails, or both. To stop receiving these alerts by email, simply toggle off the email option. Once you do this, Pinterest will no longer send you email updates about reports or violations, but you can still get notifications within the app if you choose. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email alerts for Pinterest reports and violations updates. This small change can help keep your inbox free of unnecessary notifications while still letting you stay informed through the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.